What if you could get smart mapping, strong suction, and hands-free cleaning without paying premium brand prices? This robot vacuum surprised me, and it might surprise you too. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a budget-friendly smart robot vacuum designed for everyday homes, especially for hard floors, low-pile carpets, and pet hair. It focuses on the essentials: solid suction, automated navigation, and easy app or remote control, without unnecessary extras that drive up the price. Strong suction power for dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Slim, low-profile design, cleans under sofas and beds easily. Multiple cleaning modes: auto, edge, spot. Anti-collision and anti-drop sensors. App or remote control, model dependent. Auto return to charging dock. Quiet operation compared to older style robot vacuums. It's clearly built for simple, reliable daily cleaning, not overcomplicated tech. In everyday use, picks up pet hair and fine dust well on hard floors. Handles low-pile carpets without getting stuck. Edge cleaning is effective along walls and baseboards. Navigation is methodical, even without premium LiDAR mapping. Compared to high-end brands like Roomba or Roborock, it may not create ultra-detailed room maps, but for basic home maintenance, it gets the job done efficiently. One pleasant surprise is how quiet it is. You can watch TV, work from home, or let it clean at night. Setup is straightforward. No complicated learning curve. This is ideal if you want a set-it-and-forget-it robot vacuum, especially for first-time buyers. This is where ROPVACNIC really stands out. When you compare it to premium brands' much higher prices for advanced mapping, ultra-cheap models' weaker suction and poor reliability, ROPVACNIC sits right in the sweet spot: solid performance plus smart features at a much lower cost. Who is it best for? Apartments and medium-sized homes, pet owners, busy professionals, anyone new to robot vacuums, budget-conscious buyers who still want smart cleaning. Things to keep in mind: not designed for very thick carpets. Smart mapping is simpler than premium competitors. Best used for maintenance cleaning, not deep carpet shampooing. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner proves you don't need to overspend to get smart, reliable, hands-free cleaning. If you want a no-nonsense robot vacuum that handles daily messes, pet hair, and dust, this one is absolutely worth considering. If you want to check the latest price or deals on the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum, I've put the Amazon link in the description below. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know, would you go budget or premium?